Want to add a custom web tab to your Zoho Books customer portal? Learn how in just 5 clicks. I'll show you the exact menu path and 2 save steps you must not skip. Let's jump into Zoho Books. Open Zoho Books in your browser. Then, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Click on Customer Portal. Click on Web Tabs. To add a new tab, click the New Web Tab button. In the form that appears, type the name for your custom tab. Then, enter a highlight or description for the tab. Now, click the Save button to save your new tab. Then click Save again, and that's it. You've created your custom web tab. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.